We are delighted to introduce you to our new folding door system. We developed and tested these new doors during 2019, and they are now available for Summerhouse24 customers. These premium end folding doors are included as standard in a number of cabins with 70mm wall thickness. They can also be ordered as an upgrade option, replacing standard sliding doors across our range of cabins with 44mm thick wall planks and above. These doors are also available to order with all bespoke and tailor-made cabins. These large glass panelled doors will flood your cabin with light and enable you to enjoy warm summer days by opening them up entirely to bring the outside in. During colder days and seasons, you can rely on the quality double glazed panels and draft excluders, which ensure superb thermal resistance and keep the cabin warm and snug with minimum heating costs. Our sliding doors are made from the finest Nordic pine and offer exceptional user comfort and durability. The doors come complete with German-made Gretsch-Unitas Fold&Slide hardware and locking systems.